Speaking of the skies, the plan is for us to see the universe like never before. Tomorrow, the most powerful space telescope ever built is expected to be launched into space, weather permitting. The hope is that the James Webb Space Telescope will be able to see farther and more clearly into deep space and possibly even see the very first stars and galaxies that formed after the Big Bang. Here to tell us more about this exciting mission is Tom Green. Yeah, that's his name, an astrophysicist with NASA. Tom, first thing, why don't they call it the Tom Green Telescope? You and I would love that.
Yeah, that'd be great. But over 1,000 other people have worked on it over the past 20 years.
It's not us. So this is a big day for NASA, for the world. Tell us about the mission. Tell us what makes this telescope so special.
This is going to be the largest and the most powerful astronomical telescope ever put into space. It's going to advance almost all fields of astrophysics, and it's a technological tour de force that's going to be located 1 million miles away from Earth. It's not going to orbit Earth. It's way out there. And again, over 1,000 people have worked on this for over 20 years.
I just remember when the Hubble launched, it took a while to get the Hubble to work properly. When will we start to see, how long will it take after it deploys and all for us to see some of the telescope's work?
Yeah, that's the key word. It's a really big telescope. It's 6.5 meters or a 21-foot wide mirror. And that has to fold up because rockets aren't that big. So it will get launched, and then a lot has to unfold. There's this huge sunshade that shields it from the sun, and the telescope unfolds, and all that takes about 2 weeks. And then it takes another 2 weeks to get to where it's going in the Sun-Earth system, to this 1 million miles away part. And then we have to align the telescope because the mirror is made out of 18 separate little mirror segments that have to all be aligned perfectly to work together. And we check out the instrument. So it's about 6 months. We should start getting data in late June or early July.
Can't wait. Now, some people, you think of the telescope and the vision, but it's being told that it could act like a time machine. Explain how that might work.
It's so sensitive, we're going to be able to see the first galaxies that formed in the universe, like you said. And this will give us a view of the universe at only a few 100 million years old. And that's about half the age of the youngest objects that Hubble can see with it. We'll also be able to see how these early galaxies evolve over time, which will tell us about gravity and about structure forming, into how they've eventually evolved into really well-structured galaxies like the Milky Way where we live. It'll also give us a really good idea of the atmospheres of planets around other stars and show us how they're similar to and different from Earth and other planets in our solar system.
It's exciting. We can't wait to finally see it launch and finally see it in service. And we appreciate Tom Green and all the work he does as an astrophysicist working with NASA. Tom, thanks so much for joining us today.
You're welcome, and thank you.